Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include fog lights, halogen headlamps, Uconnect system. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, convertible soft top, steel wheels, tire pressure monitor, tires, front, on off-road, tires, rear, on off-road. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.